In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Surfshark on a Mac, breaking it down step by step so you can follow along and set it up smoothly. First, let's start by visiting the official Surfshark website. Open your favorite web browser and enter the URL surfshark.com. Once the site loads, you'll find a clear, user-friendly interface showcasing all the features Surfshark offers, from VPN services to its cybersecurity suite. Next, locate and click on the My Account section. You can usually find this option at the top right of the website. It's where you'll manage your account, and it's the gateway to accessing your Surfshark services. If you haven't yet created an account, this is where you'll want to do so. However, if you already have an account, proceed to click on the Login button. Enter your credentials to access your personalized dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Surfshark Home dashboard. This is the central hub for all your Surfshark needs, including downloading the app necessary to get started on your Mac. Now, focus on finding the Download Apps option. Clicking here will reveal a list of applications available for different platforms. Since we're working on a Mac, you'll want to click on the Desktops and Laptops option, which caters to both Windows and Mac users. After doing that, look for the macOS selection and click on it. This initiates the download of the Surfshark app tailored for your macOS. The download may take a little time depending on your internet connection speed, so be patient. Once the download is complete, open the file and follow the on-screen prompts to install Surfshark on your Mac. The installation process is straightforward. Just drag the Surfshark app icon into your Applications folder when prompted. After installation, open the Surfshark app. You might be asked to enter your administrator password for your Mac to confirm the changes. Now, simply log in with your account details you used earlier on the website. Once inside the app, you can connect to any of the available server locations worldwide with just a click. And there you have it. You are now ready to browse the web securely and privately using Surfshark on your Mac. Remember, Surfshark is not just about VPN services. It's a comprehensive cybersecurity suite, so take some time to explore the various features it offers, such as Clean Web for ad-free browsing and Multi-Hop for enhanced online protection. I hope this guide was helpful, and you're now all set up with Surfshark on your Mac. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy surfing!